Hello Fernand, student of class 10th. In this video we will discuss further of the chapter 1 topic, that is your sustainability of development. In previous videos we have discussed development. We have also discussed the measurement of development, concept of development and notions of development. Now in this video we will discuss that how far this development can be sustained, that is sustainability of development. What does it mean? So it means sustainable development may be defined as the development that meets the need of the present generation without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. What does it mean? That don't use these natural resources too much in present so that we cannot have these natural resources in for future generation. The judicious use of natural resources, how far our environment can sustain our development, that is known as your sustainability of development. Let's understand it with one example. The groundwater in India is under serious threat of overuse in many parts of the country. Now what the data is saying, nearly 1/3 of the country is overusing the groundwater reserve, and in another 25 years 60% of the country would be doing the same. So if the present way of using this resource continues like this, what will happen in future? You can imagine that what will be our groundwater position in the future. So this is the overuse of groundwater. Similarly, in case of oil extraction that we are doing, crude oil that we are extracting from the earth or ocean, now how much we are using it, so that it may wiped out, it will finish in the future generation, for future generation. So judicious use of the natural resources and sustainability of development, so that we can sustain this development. This is the topic, sustainability of development. So I think you have understood this topic by this example of water and oil, that what does it mean, sustainability of development. So following points must be kept in mind in case of your sustainability of development. Number 1, efficient use of natural resources. That we must efficient use the natural resources. Efficient use of natural resources means that at minimum level of natural resources we must use it very efficiently. That is number 1. Number 2, no reduction in the quality of life for future generation. That is, we must also transfer it to the future generation as in a more qualitative manner. Number 3, no increase in pollution. We must use these natural resources so that we can minimize the pollution level. Number 4, it does not limit or curb the development. Now, it does not mean that we should not use our natural resources. So if you don't use our natural resources, how can we progress? Where will be the development? So it does not mean that curbing the development, but it is the efficient, related to the efficient use of natural resources, so that our natural resource may last long for future generation also. So I think you have understood this topic, the sustainability of development. In next video we will discuss other topics. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.